So there is something called the golden ratio, and that is a ratio of 1 to 1.6. Now this, interestingly, is a ratio that's found in nature, so from spiral patterns of a flower all the way to the spiral galaxies. A ratio of 1 in the centre to 1.6 in the outermost spiral, and this carries on in all different forms in nature, including the human body. So another example is the fingers. This outermost one is 1, and the next one is 1.6 times bigger than the first one. That ratio continues all the way up the arm, and it's found all the way around the body and then in the face as well. So for example, if we look at the width of the nose, it should be equal to the inner side of each eye, and that should lie within the golden ratio when you look at the cheek. So as you can see with Justine, that ratio pretty much fits there. Another example where we could use this is if we look at the distance from the nose to the mouth and the mouth to the chin. And again, if that falls in line with the golden ratio, then we know that the chin has got good downward projection. Another common one we look at is the lips. So the top lip should be 1 to a ratio of 1.6 in the bottom lip. If you go outside that proportion and you keep the lips at 1 to 1, or actually do the top lip bigger, then we know the golden ratio doesn't fit, and that's where people can start to look a little less natural. And that is how we use the scientific proportions and the golden ratio to design a treatment that's tailored to you here at Skin Viva.